In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Social Media Manager Hootsuite. If you want an easier way to create, share, and monitor your posts across social media, Hootsuite can help you manage everything in one place. We will go step by step so you know exactly what to do and what to look for as you follow along. First, connect your social media accounts. This step matters because Hootsuite can only draft, schedule, and track posts once it has access to the platforms you want to manage. In your dashboard, look for the option to add or connect an account. Then choose the social network you want, such as the platforms you use most for your content. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. As you do this, pay attention to any confirmations or permission screens, since those determine what Hootsuite can manage for you. When the account shows as connected, you are ready for the next step. Now that your accounts are connected, you can start creating content. Select Create to draft a post. This is where you begin writing what you want to publish. In the Hootsuite Composer, you will usually see fields for the message text, plus tools for media and formatting. Take a moment to ensure you have selected the correct social profile or account for the post, because this determines where the content will appear. If you plan to post to more than one place, check the options that allow you to choose multiple destinations. Once you are confident you are working in the right composer, you can move on to adding your media and text. Next, put your video and captions or hashtag. Add the video in the media area of the post composer. Make sure the video file uploads properly and allow it a moment to finish processing, especially if your connection is slower. After the video is added, include captions that match your message and your audience. This is also the place where hashtags can help categorize the content and improve visibility. Keep your captions clear and relevant to what the video is showing. If you use hashtags, place them in a way that feels natural and does not overwhelm the message. When your video and captions look correct in the preview, you are ready to plan when it should go live. After you have drafted the post, you can schedule or publish your content. This step gives you control over timing. In the composer, look for options such as schedule or publish now. If you want the post to go out later, choose schedule, then select the date and time you want. Consider your audience's time zone and typical engagement times if you know them. If you choose to publish immediately, review the final preview one more time, then confirm. Either way, scheduling helps you stay consistent, even when you are not actively online. Once the post is live or scheduled, you can track performance in analytics. Analytics helps you understand how your content is performing after it reaches your audience. In Hootsuite, open the Analytics section and locate the reports related to your social posts or specific accounts. Look for metrics that match your goals, such as reach, engagement, clicks, or other platform-specific outcomes. Take note of what is working well, and also note what might need improvement. This step is important because it turns posting into learning, so your next content decisions are based on real results. Finally, adjust your strategy based on the results. This is where you use what you learned from analytics to improve future posts. If certain captions or hashtags correlate with higher engagement, you can reuse that pattern. If a specific type of video performs better, you can plan more content in that style. If posts scheduled at certain times get stronger results, you can refine your timing. The goal is not to change everything at once, but to make thoughtful updates that align with what the data shows. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.